Wow!
Wow!
Alright folks, we are in Langkawi and currently we are taking a boat ride from the Tanjung beach area. We're passing through some mangroves. This peak over here, it's called Gorilla Mountain. So I think it's raining over there and I hope we get to see some rain today. Oh, they're trained to come for the food, huh? Oh, oh my God! They're coming so much lower. Wow!
From the back.
Oh, wow!
Wow! So nice.
Wow! Look at the gold on their feathers, Yumna.
Pieces of fish.
Pieces of fish, huh?
No, small fish. Chunky fish.
Wow!
What jumpy fish? Mama, what's a jumpy fish?
And they have a white head, but it's not a bald
What's a
eagle.
white head? Bald eagles are black.
Yeah.
One more time.
And I
see
like
the-
Oh, okay.
I like
Whoa! Seagull! That's a
The sea eagle, white baby.
that's a sea eagle.
The brown one, the symbol of Langkawi.
Yeah.
The type of the Brahminic kite. They call.
Oh yeah.
And the white one?
The white one, white belly sea eagle.
Okay, now it's acting.
Oh
That one was cool.
Wow, those are big. Those
yeah.
are
Okay, the seagulls.
Whoa!
Okay,
Nice.
that one.
Nice. Yeah, but the white one was massive compared to these guys, huh? Wow, look at these guys. Yamuna, look at these guys. Oh, look at the baby. Yamuna, you see the baby?
Look, that one.
Very good. They can swim very well.
Yeah. But we need to throw food for them to
Yeah.
swim. Yeah, it's okay. Oh wow, look at those guys.
Where?
Look at this, Yamuna. They're like, why didn't you guys bring food?
That one, baby. Baby,
Long
it's
tail
called.
macaw.
Long tail macaw?
Macaw.
Maca. Long tail macaw.
Yeah, but they look like graffiti.
They look like Rafiki?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're coming to Crocodile Cave. Oh, okay. I see it. I guess that's the head.
The shape of the rock.
This is the head, eh?
Yes.
I see.
Left side of the cave.
Okay. Oh, okay. And when it's low tide, you can go inside, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, it does look like kind of a crocodile's head and like the texture on it. This looks like scales, doesn't it? Wow. Wow. I can see how cool it can be in low tides.
You can have a seat here.
This is a floating restaurant already. You can stop here and get the tickets here, and we pay this guy. No, we pay her, and then we go inside. So lots of monkeys here. Says we have to be.
Watching us like we're just a hologram.
Yeah. He's like, what are you guys doing in my house? Oh wait! Oh, look at the baby!
At least half a meter away.
I'm guessing that we will not be able to video inside. So let's video all the garbage that people have thrown here. Actually, yeah, given what we have seen so far, it's not too bad.
What?
The garbage. So now we're gonna walk into the bat cave. Guarded by these guys here. And I'm not sure if we'll be able to video much inside, but I'll give it a try. And we have a flashlight, so maybe we can see something.
Okay, so listen, so here's what it is, okay? So, this is the bat cave. There's lots of bats, okay?
I mean, look at these formations. Oh man.
There's a book called The Secret Life of Trees.
The Secret Life of Trees?
There should be a secret life of
Secret Life of Bats?
I
Rocks.
promise I will be very careful.
Oh, okay, here you can hold it. Gua Kelawar. Gua Kelawar. I guess that's like the Gua cave. Kelawar should be cave, I think. Oh, baby monkey. Here. This is the teeny monkey, look. Oh, teeny monkey is injured? Oh. Oh. Whoop. There was a monkey just following me very closely. Look, baby monkey's trying to climb.
Yeah.
Oh, now he's going after his mommy.
Yeah. Hello.
Don't go too close, okay, Betty?
Yeah.
Because monkey can take the thing from your hand.
The monkey's climbing up.
Yeah.
What? It's not allowed for
Aw,
touching.
baby.
Hello, baby. Baby's like being in
Oh.
baby's tummy.
Maya thinks he doesn't like that we are here because I think it's this is probably the daddy monkey, so I think he doesn't like us to be here. I see. That was the
He's
dad.
just like the same as you, Papa.
The same of me?
Yeah,
Why?
because he's even bigger than you, Papa.
He's bigger than me?
Yeah,
Because he's daddy monkey?
yeah.
Oh.
Just let me turn on the flashlight.
Okay, be careful, we can't go in because you see it's flooded right now.
Oh, it's high
Turn on to see
tide.
if we can. Let's turn it on to see.
Turn it on, but don't go in.
How about I go and check to make sure?
No, we're not going in there.
Really?
No. Come on.
I think it just goes
No,
through.
we're not going in the water.
Flood! No, Papa, it's a flood. Papa, can I have
Why
a
not?
flash?
No.
Okay, this is very low, okay? The rocks are very low.
That would be.
Okay, so Yumna, as far as the water is concerned,
Be careful around this baby and mommy, okay?
Yeah. Look, the baby.
So cute.
So cute.
So.
This way.
Just let her get feeling comfortable first. Oh, how teeny tiny.
Babies like to be in mommy's tummies too.
Yeah, they like to hold on tight.
Look, another one.
Oh, Razi, put it there.
Mhm.
Look, another one.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's thirsty. He's drinking water from the rain.
this guy's like, let me check out your bag. As soon as I turn around,
Also, Bubba, what the?
this guy was like coming at my bag.
Bubba, what? What the?
The other guy's coming on your back too.
Ambush. Just go, keep going.
Amber.
They were trying to ambush me. There's nothing in my bag, guys. Come on. Okay, that guy there, he was trying to steal from me. Yeah, no. This looks like, doesn't this look like the jaw of something? Okay. On. Whoa! I didn't see you, bro. When you get out of the cave.
Mama, monkeys like to eat bananas.
Yeah, they like to eat bananas. Now we have left the mangroves and we're coming out to the Andaman Sea, and that's how we're gonna go back.
is flying. You take it from
What's flying?
Her cap. Here. Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So you sit here, you can order food. There's a big. Oh, and the colors on this one, that one, the green one.
These are sharks.
Look at the green one. Whoa. Throw it in the middle, okay? What are you doing?
Maya?
There's three.
No, she don't know. She don't know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Okay, all done. Thank you, Amaya.
My
Come,
friend?
come to Baba. Thank you. Comes and
That's good. That's good. You control the steering.
Yumna, be careful, okay?
Okay.
Mostly. You forward front. Put the wheel right. Slowly. Good drive. Put it left. Slowly.
Okay, that's good, Amaya. Yumna, that's good, beta. It's the end of our tour. We've had a lot of fun on this tour. Thanks to our amazing captain.
Come again.